Go guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys, and it is super insane. So
guys, so today I'll show you to get free Pokemon Go coins. So as you can see, these are the balance, and then as you can see in the mod menu, we can actually turn on free coins. So I just enabled that, so let's see if the coins go up. So as you can see, these are the amount right here. So hopefully we can increase it with this mod. So as you can see, guys, there we go. Let's get that to go up a little more, shall we? Hopefully it does increase. And bang, guys, so I'm going to show you how to download this for free Pokemon Go coins. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's easy. So all you have to do is go to this website right here, matrixmods.com, I'm pretty sure. So in the search bar, guys, just type Pokemon, and as you can see, it should come up. So it's actually TweakMod, sorry about that. So yeah, tweakmod.com. So anyway, guys, now that we are on the website, we're just going to type in Pokemon, and then press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so it does have a little iPhone and Android symbol, so it does work on both, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, so it's loading up. So yep, here we go, guys. Bang, bang, bang. So last step, verification, down 2 apps. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to do 2 of them. So like Underdog says download for 30, so I could just do that, or I could do like DraftKings Lucky Match says reach level 11. So whatever, guys, just do 2 of the apps. See you in another video, but that's how you get free coins Pokemon Go right now. So it's super cool, brothers. I hope you found it useful, and it's really nice.